Ready to learn? Come sing with me. It's time for fun on Tutor Me. 1, 2. 1, 2, tutor me. Dancing through the day. Phonics and stories, the fun learning way. Grammar and vocab, bright like the sun. Comprehension power, let's get it done. With Jennifer here, we laugh and learn. For knowledge and kindness, it's always our turn. So many cool things we're gonna see right here on 1, 2, Tutor Me. Let's shine and grow, don't miss the show.
Hey awesome readers! Today we're going to explore the super cool prefix re, spelled R-E. It's tiny, but it has a big job. The prefix re means again or back. Just like you press replay on your favorite video, you're doing it again. Here's a memory trick. Think of re like a recycle symbol. Things go around again. Let's open the word treasure chest and read a few. Rewrite, return, refill, rebuild, rethink, retell, recheck, replace, repay, reread, recycle, reprint, refresh, revisit, remove, rewrite, retake, rewrap, rejoin, reheat, restart, react, reopen. Ready for a quick game? I'll say a clue and you guess the re word. You read the story a second time. That's right, reread. You broke the tower but fixed it again. It's rebuild. You messed up, so you try again. Correct, redo. You're a winner. Awesome. Now you know re means again or back. So anytime you see re at the beginning of a word, get ready to do it again. Like, subscribe, and join 1, 2 Tutor Me for more prefix power and word fun.
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics, stories, grammar too. 1, 2 Tutor Me's here for you. Laughed, we learned, we had a blast. Building skills that will surely last. So keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. miss a beat. With Jen, learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 122 Tormy says thank you.